Hi, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We are in Champions Gate and this client hired us to do a move out cleaning. So this is a beautiful house. We already put all our equipment. I'm checking, this is a beautiful door. I'm checking this room. This is a small bedroom. And today we have to do the windows, everything that is inside. Small closet, vacuum. How pretty is this? Vacuum, dusting, kitchen area, cabinets inside and outside, refrigerator inside and outside. All the cabinets. Prendete la luz, please. This wood is really good. So all the kitchen cabinets in and out. The oven is in really good shape. I'm gonna clean it, but it's in really good shape. All the cabinets, pantry, windows in. The ceiling fan is really dirty. Mira. Fíjate. Toma, acércatelo. The ceiling fan. This is the patio. Master. Windows, reels. Another ceiling fan over there. Closet. How pretty. And you can call us at 407-572-4118. This is the closet. Some dust. Some paint here. The bathroom is in good shape. It's not horrible. There is some paint. Mostly regular dirt. Nothing heavy duty. But this client hired us to do a really good cleaning. Oh, can you take out this? Sácalo, please. Con cuidado que no se vaya a malograr la pared. She doesn't want that, so take it out. Be careful, okay? Fantastic. Sácalo. And I'm gonna start putting some photo before and after and how the people work. And we are Any House Cleaning Services in Champions Gate. And you can call us at 407-572-4118. Thank you for watching. This is another area. The laundry, garage. Let's see the garage. Okay. Yeah. They're moving out. Ponlo afuera, acá en el garaje. Another bathroom. En el garaje, please. Yeah. Cabinets. Toilet. It's in good shape. It's not in bad shape. Another room here. More ceiling fans, windows, blinds, a really good vacuum. Another room over here, window, ceiling fan, vents, baseboards. Okay, En el garaje que está acá, mira. Sí.
¿Cómo se va a lavar allá afuera?
No, no, no. Eso se va a botar. La señora lo va a botar. Okay, and this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I'm gonna stop and take some photos and videos. In the meantime, the girls are gonna do the job. Thank you for watching. Bye.